Hello, my name is Jeff Dover and I'm a personal injury attorney based in the Atlanta area. I help people who have been injured as a result of someone else's negligence collect compensation for their injuries. And I'd like to take a minute to talk about construction falls today. There is little debate that construction is one of the most dangerous industries in America. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, 816 construction workers died on site in 2009. And of all occupational fatalities that year, construction accounted for the most, over 230 people, more than the next closest industry. Around a third of construction-related deaths are due to falls, such as roof-related falls, which are some of the most common type of construction falls. There are also many other types of construction site falls: scaffolding falls, crane falls, elevator shaft falls, and falls that occur through holes in the flooring. Approximately half of all fatal falls occur in the construction industry, and many of them are preventable. If you've lost a loved one as a result of a preventable fall on a construction site, contact one of our experienced personal injury attorneys at the Dover Law Firm to discuss your legal options. You can call us at 770-518-1133 or visit our website at www.doverlawfirm.com. Thank you.